Right, that's the third revision paper. Okay, I'm going to discuss science subject, third revision term, paper of third term test. Look at the instructions. Answer to all the questions. Select and underline the most suitable answer. Right, now look at part one. The first question, look at a characteristic that is common to all animals. Common to all animals. I will name the students, okay? Then you can give the answer. All of you don't give the answer. Right. Look at a characteristic that is common to all animals. All animals, okay? You look at all animals, common characteristic. The first one, unlimited growth. Second one being autotrophic. Third one, absent of chlorophyll. Fourth one, can show locomotion. Right. What is the answer for this question? Can you tell me? Metuki, can you tell the answer?
Can show locomotion.
I asked from only Metuki, no? I think there is one Metuki in this class, no? So I will give all of you the chance, okay? Right, දැන් අපි බලමු හැමෝම පාඩම් කරලාද තියෙන්නේ. අහන ඒවට කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Right. Metuki, what is the answer for the first question?
Can show locomotion.
Can show locomotion.
Yes.
Okay. Look at what is the answer, correct answer. In this question, ask about the common characteristic for the all animals. Unlimited growth, we cannot observe the unlimited growth of animals, no? Limited growth. Being autotrophic mean the plants, green color plants. So animals, we can't observe the autotrophic. And next one, absent of chlorophyll. Animals lage absent the present the chlorophyll. තියෙනවද නැද්ද? Animals lage. Absent. So it is now the first answer is incorrect. Okay, second answer also incorrect. Third answer, I think correct. Right? Animals lage නෑනේ නේද chlorophyll. Right? Absent of chlorophyll. It is correct. Look at the next one. Can show locomotion. Animals ලට හැම animal කෙනෙක්ටම locomotion කරන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද? Can't. What are the examples for that animals? You know coral polyps, right? Coral polyps mean an organism, no? Animal. ඔගොල්ලෝ අර beach sea එක වල එහෙම දැකලා තියෙනවනේ coral polyps තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලන්ට බෑ locomote කරන්න. But it has movement. Okay? So what is the common characteristic all animals absent of chlorophyll? එක animal කෙනෙක්ගේවත් මේ chlorophyll නැහැ. Right? So first question answer number 3. Right? Okay, are you clear? Second question, look at. දැන් අර කලින් කරන්න බැරි වුණ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලා මේ වගේ question number එකත් එක්ක answer number එක හරියට ලියලා තියන්න. Then later you can get the printout, then you do again. Okay? If you now completed.
I have a printout. I have a printout and I am answering.
No. Did you write the answers early? Yes or no? කලින් answers ලිව්වද නැද්ද? print out එක විතරද අරගෙන තියන්නේ? If you did not write the answers, I think it is better you write your answers for your book. Okay? Later you do again.
I have the answer also.
Okay.
Get print out.
Then you can mark your paper answers. Okay? ඔගොල්ලෝ දැන්ට answers ලියලා නම් තියෙන print out අරගෙන එහෙම paper එකෙන් mark කරගන්න. දැන්ට answers ලියලා නැත්නම් book එකේ mark කරගන්න. Then later you have to do again this one. Okay? Revise your knowledge. Right. Second question, look at the process that can perform only by plants is the process that can perform only by plants is plant වලට විතරක් perform කරන process එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ විතරක්
Release
කරන
of foods by using oxygen. Release of oxygen by gaining carbon dioxide.
Right. Look at the process that can perform only by plants is first one, release of carbon dioxide by gaining oxygen. Second one, release of oxygen by gaining carbon dioxide. Third one, produce of food by using oxygen. Fourth one, produce of oxygen by using food. Right. What is the correct answer for this one, Nisala?
Release.
What is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Products of foods by using oxygen.
That means third answer, no? Okay.
No. Release of oxygen gaining carbon dioxide.
Release of oxygen by gaining carbon dioxide. That means the second answer. Okay. Then from another student, I will ask. Tanuda, what is the answer? Same answer?
Release of oxygen by gaining carbon dioxide.
Okay. I asked from two students. Both of them gave same answer. Others, what is your answer? Same answer or different answer?
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Okay.
Second one.
Second one.
Okay, look at the process that can perform only by plant is plant වලින් විතරක් කරන කාර්යයක්. Release of oxygen by gaining carbon dioxide, right? You know the process of photosynthesis, right? When the photosynthesis process, the plants, green color plants get carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas, right, during the photosynthesis process. So the correct answer number 2. Right. Third question, look at select the thing which occupies space. Air, light, heat, sound. Right. Matisha, what is the answer?
Wait, sir. Air.
Air. Okay. Sandev, what is the correct answer?
Air.
Air. Right. Others?
Air.
Air. Huh? Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Now look at select the thing
Light.
occupies space. The
Light.
things around us, we can divide it into two parts: matter and energy. Matter mean occupy space and having a mass. Energy mean does not occupy space and hasn't mass. So you look at air is matter, light, heat, sound, energy types. So occupy space, you have to select the matter. What is the matter? Only one matter given of this question, air. So the correct answer, air. Right? Okay, now I am going to fourth question. The correct order A, B, and C in given figure is. Look at that's the figure given. I remember by observing careful this question. Can you tell the answer? Others send me the message. Okay. Can you tell the answer? Nilesh Kant.
Third one.
Third one. Okay. Third one. I don't know. Correct or incorrect? Also, can you tell me what is the answer? Tenuli? Third one. Right. Others also send
First answer.
same answer sent, no? Okay.
Sir, පළවෙනි එකේ දෙවෙනි එකේ උත්තරේ ටිකක් වෙන්නන්න පුළුවන්ද?
First question, third answer. Second question, second answer. Third question, first answer. Right. Look at this. According to availability of water, we classify according to availability on water of the water, we can classify it into three groups. What are the three groups? Precipitation, groundwater, and surface water. Groundwater means under the earth. Precipitation, they comes from the upper side, no? Surface water, matupita tiyana jalaya. So look at this one. A is precipitation. B, surface water. C, groundwater. So your answer should be number 3. Right? Third answer. Fourth question answer is number 3. Right. Number 5. Based on salinity, do you remember? The amount of salt of the water, no? We can classify into 3 groups, fresh water, brackish water, and marine water. Less amount of salt dissolved in muddy water, marine water, fresh water, brackish water. What is the correct answer, Lochana?
Marine water.
Marine water. Okay. Kitnuli?
Fresh water.
Fresh water. There are 2 answers gave now. Chanmira? Quickly, you have to give the answer.
I'm also fresh water.
Fresh water. Okay. Others? Send me
Fresh
the
water.
fresh
Marine water.
Right.
Marine
Fresh
water.
Yes. Less amount of salt dissolved in. Adu lavana gatiyak tiyana jalaya. Right? What is the answer? Fresh water. The medium amount of salt containing brackish water. The high amount of salt containing marine water. Right? Then ඔගොල්ලෝ මුහුදු ජලය ගත්තොත් නේද? ඒකේ ලුණු රස වැඩි නේද? There are lot of salt dissolved. What's the reason? Lot of salt dissolved නේද? ලවණ ගොඩක් දිය වෙලා තියෙනවා. So it is a marine water. Right? But the rivers also well like that parts less amount of salt dissolved. ඒක එච්චර ලුණු රසක් නේද අපිට දකින්න ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. කිවුල් ගතියක් නැහැ. So your answer should be number
But in our well, it's marine water.
Marine water. Yes, I think if you live near the coastal area, right, then some amount of salt dissolved in well water, right? ලිං ජලයට ලවණ ප්‍රමාණයක් එකතු වෙලා තියෙනවා මුහුද ආශ්‍රිතව ඔයගොල්ලෝ ජීවත් වෙනවා නම්. හරි. ඒතකොට ඒ වගේ මුහුද ආශ්‍රිතව ජීවත් වෙනවා නම් ඒ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලිඳක් හැපුවත් ඒකේ කිවුල් ජලය තමයි ගොඩක් වෙන්නේ, right? Marine water නෙවෙයි එතකොට brackish water නේද? කිවුල් දිය කියන්නේ. Brackish water, okay? Right. Number 6. Not a natural sound. Not a natural
Sound of a horn.
Yes.
I'm also on the bird.
Sir doesn't ask.
Yes. Still I did not ask from you, no? What is the answer? Again, what is the answer?
Sound of a horn.
Sound of horn.
A horn.
Sound of a horn. Okay. Oshadi, what is the answer? Quickly you have to give the answer. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙතන මනස තියාගෙන ඉන්න ඕන වෙන වෙන තැන්වල බෑ. මම අහනකොටම ආන්සර් එක දෙන්න ඕන. හරි? ඉක්මනට කියවන්න පුළුවන්, ට්‍රීට් කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Right? Oshadi, what is the answer? Can you hear me, Oshadi?
Sir, can I tell? Yes, sir.
What is the answer, Oshadi?
Sound of wind.
Sound of wind. Natural sound, okay? Natural, not a natural
No,
sound.
sir, no, sir. Sorry.
You read carefully.
Sound of horn.
Sound of horn, okay. Bird, it is a natural, no? Waterfall, also natural. Wind, natural. So what is the artificial one? Not a natural, mean artificial. Sound of a horn, right? Sound of a horn. The most suitable energy source can be used in hilltop is wind, flowing water, tidal wave, fossil fuel. Right. What is the answer for this question, Aushini? Can you tell what is the answer?
Wind.
Sorry,
Wind.
wind. Okay, I don't know correct answer. Setni, what is the answer? Number 7. Flowing water. Okay, there are 2 answers here, you know. Others, what is the answer? Can you send me the answer quickly? More suitable one, okay? The more suitable.
From class, can you give me the answer for 4 and 5 questions?
Okay, after this question, I will show you. Right. Others, what is the answer? Can you send me it quickly? The more suitable energy source can be used in hilltop is. අර කඳුකර නේද? කඳ උඩරට ප්‍රදේශවල කියන්නේ ඉහළ ස්ථානවල ජීවත් වෙන අයට මොන වගේ එනර්ජි සෝස් එකක්ද සූටබල් කියලා අහන්න. What is the answer? Wind, flowing water, tidal wave, fossil fuel. මේ tidal wave suitable ද? Tidal waves කියන්නේ
Flowing water.
related to sea කඳුකර ප්‍රදේශවල sea එකක්.
Flowing water.
Not suitable.
Flowing water.
Flowing water, wind, fossil fuel. Fossil fuel වලට වඩා නේද natural දෙයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් අපිට හොඳයි. Right? So what is the more suitable one? දැන් බලන්නකෝ ඔයගොල්ලෝ අර උස් ප්‍රදේශවල ඉන්නව නම් හොඳට හුළඟ ලැබෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
But the flowing water, every positions we can't get. නේද? හැමතැනම මේ flowing water නැහැ. ජලාශය නැහැනේ හැමතැනම. So what is the more suitable one? Wind. සුළඟ තියෙනවනේ හැමතැනම නේද? Right? So more suitable one is wind.
Sir, I cannot find the answer first or 2 because I put a kanasot.
Don't put kana short.
My answer is correct, sir.
Right. Now you can understand, no? Right? More suitable one. Flowing water also suitable, but more suitable wind. මොකද wind කියන එක every position we can get, no? But flowing water, water bodies not we can get at the place. Right. One student told me what are the answers for number 4 and 5, no? That's the 4th and 5th, 6th question answers.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then we can go to our next one. Right, look at the next one. Number 8. The fossil fuel in gaseous state is. The fossil fuel in gaseous state is LP gas, petrol, coal, biogas.
LP gas.
LP gas. LP gas.
Biogas.
LP
Still, I did not ask. Okay, right. Can you tell me what is the
Yes.
answer? Vinuti? Vinuti, what is the answer? What is the answer? Quickly. Hurry up. The fossil.
Sir, can I tell?
Sorry.
Sir, can I tell?
Okay. Who are you? Sandev, no? Right. Answer one, LP gas. Okay. Now look at the fossil fuel in gaseous state is. This one should be gaseous state, also should be fossil fuel. Okay. Biogas. Biogas mean not fossil. Right? Biogas mean what? The plant and animal materials, no? Decayed plant and animal materials called biogas. So what is the suitable answer? Petrol is a liquid state, coal is a solid state, biogas gas state, and also LP gas state. So fossil fuel should be LP gas, litropetroleum gas. So your answer should be number 1. Right? Answer is number 1.
But sir, now gases are very dangerous in
Yes,
our environment.
yes, but we have to use carefully, no?
Can be blast.
Yes, we have to use
මේ බයෝගෑස් කියන්නේ animal materials
animal and plants both.
okay sir.
Lot of plant materials. Then අපි ගත්තොත් firewood, it is a biogas, no? Firewood is a biogas. And also biogas, we can give the methane gas after you prepare the gas using the rotten materials, rotten food and rotten vegetables. හරි ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ අර නරක් වුණු ආහාර සහ ආහාර වලින් අපි ඒක කොහේ හරි ඩිපොසිට් කරලා තියෙනකොට නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් වලක් කපලා ඒකට දාන්න. එතකොට එතනින් ජෙනරේට් වෙනවා බයෝගෑස් එකක්, right? It is not the fossil fuel, right? So this one correct answer, fossil fuel. Okay, number 9, look at the conclusion of the given setup used to demonstrate mean අර නිරූපණය කරනවා කියන එක. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි නිරූපණය කර පෙන්눔 කරනවා කියන්නේ, right? The conclusion of the given setup used to demonstrate needed factor for the vision is. I think you can see this diagram, no? Also you remember, I think the lesson we discussed also this diagram. First one, eye is needed to vision. Second one, light is needed to vision. Third one, object is needed to vision. Fourth one, hole is needed to vision. Okay, can you give me what is the answer, Sanduki?
Eye is needed to vision.
Eye is needed to vision. Eye is,
But sir, in this setup has another another answer.
yes.
Sir,
Yes.
eye is needed
Light,
to vision.
I'm dead.
Light is needed to vision. Light.
Light is needed to vision. Okay, there are two answers, no? Two.
Sir, my answer is second one. Light is needed to vision.
For your
I
vision,
am 3.
right? For your vision, there are two parts needed: healthy eye and light. හරි අපිට මොන හරි දෙයක් පැහැදිලිව දකින්න නම් මෙන්න මේ දෙක අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. But using this one, there are
Light.
two holes given. අපි මොකද්ද කරේ මතකද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? අර coin, using the coin we close the hole, then we check inside the box. මතකයිද මේක බැලුවා? එතකොට අපි දැක්කේ නෑ නේද? Right? After remove the coin, we can see clearly what are they inside. So what is the needed factor? Light, no? Light needed vision. Eye also needed, but using this setup, our conclusion, light is needed to vision. Right. Number 10, look at select the non-luminous object. There are 4 answers given: sun, moon, lighted candle, lighted bulb. Right. What is the correct answer, Anuhas?
Moon.
Moon. Okay, non-luminous and luminous. Do you remember? Luminous mean if the object
Yes, sir.
own object emit own light, we called it luminous. If does not object does not emit own light, we called it moon. But moon is you can see brightly, no? But the effect of sun.
Moon is light from the sun.
So your answer should be moon. Right? Others are luminous object. Sun, eya taniya ආලෝකය විහිදුවනවා. Lighted candle also emitted the light. Lighted bulb also on emitted the light. So your answer number 2. Right. Number 11, look at. Number 11. Given below is a pie chart. Pie chart mean like this circular chart. We called it pie chart. Okay. In grade 10 class of mathematics subject, you can study how we can draw the pie chart correctly. Right. අපි මේ වගේ මේ වට ප්‍රස්ථාර වලට කියනවා pie chart කියලා. Right. PIE pie chart. This pie chart represent the amount of water on the earth. Right, make and represent වෙන්නේ මොනවද මේ earth එකේ තියෙන ජලය පිළිබඳ විස්තරයක්. Right, which letter given amount of water in seas and water that can be consumed is respectively. Right, අපෙන් අහනවා පිළිවෙලට sea water and water that can be consumed. අර පරිභෝජනය කරන්න පුළුවන් ජලය දැක්වෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? There are 4 answers given. What is the correct answer? Dhananjana.
A and C.
A and C. Yes, you know, lot of seas and ocean covered the earth, no? Earth එක ගොඩක් cover කරගෙන තියෙනවා මේ sea වලින් සහ මුහුදු වලින් සාගර වලින්. So lot of water we can see in the seas and oceans. But the consumable water, it is a very small amount. Do you remember what is the percentage?
0.01.
0.01, no? So you can see the A represent sea water and the C represent consumable water. So what is the correct answer? Number 3.
Sir, please show 9 question.
9th question. Okay, look at. Right, okay.
ප්‍රශ්නෙන් අහන්නේ අපිට පරිභෝජනයට ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒවාද බැරි ඒවාද?
මේකෙන් අහන්නේ අර මේ chart එකෙන් represent වෙන. ඔයගොල්ලෝ පේනවනේ කොටස් තුනක් තියෙනවා නේද? A B C කියලා. ඒතර මෙතනින් අහන්නේ මෙන්න මේ දෙක order එකට, right? Sea water and water in the sea and water that can be consumed. ඒ කියන්නේ sea water represent කරන්නේ මොන letter එකෙන්ද and consumable water represent which letter respectively. පිළිවෙලට ඒ letters දෙක ලියන්න කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ.
හරි සර් තේරුණාද?
Right? Okay. Right. Number 12, look at what is the standard international unit. I think you remember this one we called SI unit of measuring temperature. Do you remember? I mentioned the lesson. Can I tell me the answer? Can you tell the answer? Manujaya. Manujaya. What is the answer?
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Is it correct? Kelvin?
Yes, sir. That's
Yes.
correct.
Right. What are the measuring units of temperature? Which units are measured?
Celsius.
Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Celsius, no?
also Kelvin.
This one, look at centigrade. Centigrade, I think the musical band name, no? Centigrade කියන්නේ නේද? Temperature එක measure කරන එකක් නෙවෙයි centigrade කියන්නේ. Okay. So it is not the correct answer. Celsius, it is mostly used to measure the temperature by I mentioned.
That is not the measuring unit.
So the SI unit is Kelvin. Okay. SI unit Kelvin. අපි වැඩිපුරම එදිනෙදා භාවිතා කරන්නේ Celsius. හැබැයි SI unit එක Kelvin. Right? I think I gave the note, no? Right.
Yes, sir.
Look at number 13. The factor obtained from the soil to photosynthesis is. Right. What is the answer for this question? Can you tell me, Rehani? What is the answer? Rehani, what is the correct answer? You on the audio, but I can't hear what you said. Okay, send me the message, Rehani, quickly. රෙහානි අහනවා ඇහෙනවද කියලා ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ මම දැක්කා මේ ඔඩියෝ එක අන්මියුට් කරා ඒ වුණාට ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන එක හරි කමන්නේ මැසේජ් එකක් එවන්නකෝ right ඒ අතරේ මම තව කෙනෙක්ගෙන් අහනවා again can you tell me what is the answer
I don't know this one, sir.
sorry
I don't know this one, sir.
this one you can't understand huh? Okay Lochana what is the answer
Water.
water okay I don't know right now look at huh
Can I tell?
huh
Fourth one answer.
okay look at the factor obtained from the soil to photosynthesis is right for the photosynthesis process water sunlight carbon dioxide are needed things no also chlorophyll another needed things chlorophyll exists in the plant leaves right කොළවල තමයි chlorophyll තියෙන්නේ ඒක බාහිරින් එන දෙයක් නෙවෙයි sunlight obtained from the sun carbon dioxide obtained from the atmosphere no air so water obtained where from the soil no පසෙන් නේද ජලය එන්නේ so what is the answer water අපෙන් අහන්නේ පසෙන් මොනවද ලැබෙන්නේ කියලා photosynthesis එකට right so what is the answer water right number 14 look at select the correct statement first one loud noises are not harmful for ear correct statement you have to select harmonium
Wrong.
produces sound by vibrating strings. Ear protectors are wearing to protect from animals. Sound is produced by vibration. Right. What is the correct answer? Can you tell me, Chanmira?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. That means sound is produced by vibration, no? Yes.
I'm also, sir.
Yes. Correct answer what? Fourth one, no? Sound is produced by vibration. Okay. Right. Number 15, look at what is the sustain can be, what is the substance can be separated by using a magnet, right? What is the substance can be separated by using a magnet? Okay. Brass fillings, aluminium fillings, steel fillings, and copper fillings. Okay, what is the correct answer, Kitnuli?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, that means copper fillings, no? Okay, another student, can you tell me, Tenuli, what is the answer?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, copper fillings. Sandev,
Third one.
Third one.
third one, steel fillings. Okay.
I think third one is correct.
Matisha,
Third one.
third one. Do you know what is the meaning of steel fillings? Steel fillings mean what? Steel mixed with iron. Right? Steel කියන්නේ මොනවද? වාණි කියන ඒවානේ. වාණි කියන ඒවා iron එක්ක mix වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. යකඩ mix වෙලා. So iron is attracted to the magnets, no? Brass mean what, again? Brass. Also, I mentioned the lesson. Do you remember? Brass mean what? Who can give the answer? Brass. What's the meaning of brass?
Pittala.
Pittala. Yes. Brass mean pittala. Okay. Aluminium, brass not attracted to the magnet, so we can't separate it. Aluminium also not attracted. Copper also not attracted. So your answer number 2, steel fillings. Right. Number 16, look at the instrument produced by a pivoted magnet that can be moved freely is clinical thermometer, barometer, compass, wind vane. Right, Lochana, what is the answer? Third one, compass. Okay, I don't know. Dhananjana,
Third one.
third one. Setmi,
I am also third one.
third one. Okay, මොකද්ද මෙතනින් අහන්නේ? අර magnet use කරලා නේද? අර freely move වෙන්න magnet use කරලා හදන උපකරණය. Clinical term නේද? Barometer හදන්න ගන්නෙත් නෑ. Do you remember what's the meaning of barometer? Barometer means the measuring instrument of pressure of the atmosphere. Wind vane, the measuring instrument of what? Direction of the wind, no? Clinical thermometer, the measuring instrument of the temperature, right? Clinical thermometer made with glass tube and mercury column. So what is the correct answer? Compass. Right, number 3. Right, number 17. Now I'm going to number 17. Look at 17th one. Select the correct chemical cell type and example for it. Right? Select the correct chemical cell and cell type and example for it. The first column given chemical cell, the second column given example. Look at primary cell, example dry cell. Primary cell, example mobile phone battery. Secondary cell, solar cell. Secondary cell, watch batteries. Okay, so you have to select the correct answer. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer, Dulaya?
2
Number
primary
2.
cells.
Primary cell, the
Oh no, sir. 1.
one.
One.
Yes, sir.
Chanmira, what is the answer?
One, sir.
1. Do you remember cells we can divide it into 2 parts, no? Primary cells and secondary cells.
What is the answer for 16th question?
Okay, after discuss this one, I will show you it. Secondary cells mean what? We can recharge, no? We can recharge. If you can recharge the batteries or cells, we called it secondary cell. Mobile phone battery, you can recharge, no? ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ එකපාරක් පාවිච්චි කරලා අයින් කරනව නෙවෙයි නේද? හැමදාම නේද බැටරි run down වුණාට පස්සේ නේද බැටරි බැස්සට පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ආයෙත් recharge කරනවා. So it is a secondary cell. So what is the correct answer? Number 1. Right, number 17 answer, first one. Okay, number 16, look at third answer.
you, sir.
Right. Then I'm going to number 18. Look at identify the symbols in the circuit shown as ABC in respectively. Okay, you look at the answers. There are 4 answers given. Right. What is the correct answer? Can you tell me? Tabo? What is the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the correct answer for number 18?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, I don't know correct answer. Later we can check. Metuki, what is the answer? Metuki, what is the answer for number 18? Metuki, no other? No other? Okay, Nisala, what is the answer?
A is ammeter,
Huh?
C is dicer, A is a bulb.
Uh-huh. Uh,
Can I tell?
yes, what is the answer?
Answer 3.
Number 3. Okay, look at A means
No.
one, right? A means this one. This represent the bulb, no? Right? This one is a bulb. B, you can see the symbol capital A. That means ammeter.
Ammeter.
Yes.
C represented a dry cell. So what is the correct answer? Bulb, ammeter, dry cell. Number 2.
And what?
Right? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පටල ගන්නේ නැහැ මෙතන capital A එකක් තියුණා කියලා. ඒ තියෙන symbol එක. Okay? Device is B. Right? Instrument is B. So the correct answer number 2. Number 19, look at. Given figure shows a thin wire wind around the pencil and connected to the cells. What is the expected observation? First one, melting of the wire, heating of the wire, emitting light from the wire, increasing the length of the coil. I think you remember this one also we discussed, no? Tenuli, what is the answer?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, increasing length of the coil. Okay.
Heating of the wire.
Heating of the wire.
Heating of the wire. There are 2 answers.
And also heating of the wire.
Okay. Others answer what?
Heating of the wire.
Heating of the wire.
I also heating of the wire.
මේ coil එකක් battery එකට connect කරොත් නේ dry cells වලට connect කරොත් melt වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. Melt mean what? දිය වෙනවා. දිය වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ coil එක නේද? දිය වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඒක රත් වෙනවා නේද? Is the effect of the temperature. Effect of the heat. Right? So what is the answer? Heating of the wire. මේක බෑ නේද අපිට emit කරගන්න light එක එනවද අපිට? ආලෝකය ලැබෙනවද මේක join කරා කියලා නෑනේ එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් අපිට bulbs දාන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ ගෙදරට නේද? මේ වගේ wires දාලා නේද light ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම බෑ. Right? Increasing length of the coil. දැන් increase වෙනවා. හැබැයි මේ අවස්ථාවේදී increase වීමක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතනදී heat වීමයි වෙන්නේ. අර heat එක වැඩි වුණාට පස්සේ තමයි increase වෙන්නේ. සාමාන්‍ය coil එකක් එහෙම increase වීමක් නෙවෙයි heat එක තමයි එතනදී increase වීම තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Okay. So the answer number 2. Another, what is the problem? Number 13. Okay, තනුද ඉන්නවනේ නේද? බලන්න answers ටික number 13. That's the answer. Number 13, 14, 15, 16, all question answers. Right. Then I'm going to next question. Okay. Tanuda, are you finished checking the answers? Right. Look at number 20. The instance of using heat energy generated due to rubbing. Erase the letters by an eraser, lighting of the matchstick, painting by a brush, ironing of dress. Right. What is the correct answer, Manujaya?
Emitting light from the wire.
Emitting light from the wire. No, I ask number 20.
Erase of the letter by an eraser.
Erase of letters by an eraser. Instance,
Iron of the desk.
heat energy generate due to rubbing. Okay, others answer what?
Fourth one.
Ironing of dresses.
Third one.
Ironing of dressers. Okay.
A matchstick.
My sir too. My
Number
answer is two, sir.
there are several.
Third one.
Third one, painting by a brush.
Fourth one.
First
Sir,
one.
my answer is two, sir.
Right. Now, first we
my answer is
understand what is the question. Okay. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම question එක මොකක්ද කියලා බලමු. The instance of using, instance කියන අවස්ථාවනේ නේද? Using heat energy generate due to rubbing. Right? අර මොනවා හරි rub කරාට පස්සේ heat energy එකක් generate වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා මොන වගේ අවස්ථාවකද? දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ බලන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ මොනවා හරි letters ටිකක් ලියලා ඒක erase කරාට පස්සේ heat එකක් generate වෙනවද? More suitable answer you have to select. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Matchstick එකක් ගන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ sir මේ rubbing වලින් තමයි sir මේ යන්නේ.
Oh, බලමුකෝ එහෙනම්. Then more suitable answer you have to select. Second one, මම fourth එක ගන්නම්කෝ. Ironing of dress. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් iron එකකින් dress එකක් iron කරනකොට ඇඳුමක් iron කරනකොට ඒ heat එක කොහොමද generate වෙන්නේ? මේ rub කරනකොටද heat එක generate වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. Due to the supply of current. නේද? current එක දුන්නොත් නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක iron කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? නැත්නම් ඉතින් නිකන් තියාගෙනත් පුළුවන් නේ. නේද? dress එකක් iron කරගන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට නේ power supply කරන්න නැතුව. එහෙම බෑනේ. So it is not the answer. Okay. By painting by a brush. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොකක් හරි පින්සලක් අරගෙන paint කරනකොට එතන heat එකක් generate වෙනවද?
No.
Oh. Right. මට කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් ගිනි පෙට්ටියක් භාවිතා කළා නේද? match stick එකක ගිනි කූරක් දල්වන්නේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ? by rubbing නේද?
sir දුරු පාට කැලේ මෙන්න
by rubbing. ගිනි පෙට්ටිය
rubbing
match box එකයි match stick එකයි rub කළා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ light up කරගන්නේ. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? අන්න heat එකක් generate වෙනවා නේද? ඒ fire එකත් එක්ක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට heat එකක් generate වෙනවා නේද? මොන heat එකද වැඩිපුර? වැඩිපුර දැනෙන්නේ මොන heat එකද? මේ eraser එකේ heat එකද match stick එකේ heat එකද?
Matchstick.
So what is the
Matchstick.
more suitable answer? Number 2. Right? More suitable answer number 2. Right? Number 21, look at. Due to rising of temperature of the earth is affected. Rising mean what? Rising. Rising of the heat. Rising.
ඉහළ
ඉහළ යනවා.
increase.
වැඩිවීමක් සර්.
Rising means
උෂ්ණත්වය වැඩිවීම.
Rising the
උෂ්ණත්වය
temperature.
වැඩි වීම.
උෂ්ණත්වය වැඩි වෙනවා.
Due to rising of the temperature of earth is affected. අර උෂ්ණත්වය වැඩි වෙන එකේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් විදියට මොනවද වෙන්න පුළුවන්? For melting the glaciers, for flooding, for landsliding, for heavy rains. What is the correct answer? Can you tell me?
For melting of
melting glacier.
Yes, for melting glaciers. No, that's a more
Because
suitable
is
answer, right? More suitable. මේවත් වෙන්න පුළුවන් හරිද දැන් රේන් එකට බලපානවා මේ හීට් එක වැඩි වීම ඒ වගේම වතුර වැඩි වෙනව නේද වැස්සට බලපානවා හැබැයි more suitable answer එක පාටම වෙන්නේ මොකද මේ glaciers ටික දිය වෙනවා right දැන් ඔහොම හීට් එක වැඩි වුණොත් මොනවද තව කාලයක් යනකොට නේද ශ්‍රී ලංකන් කියලා අයිලන්ඩ් එක නැති වෙලා යනවා glaciers ටික දිය වුණොත් නේද මේ මුහුද ටික විශාල වෙලා නේද උඩට ඇවිල්ලා වතුර මට්ටම හරි ලංකාව යට වෙලා යයි because our country is an island no it's an island
glaciers තියෙනවා අපේ රටේ.
sometimes some mountains will left.
in our country not glaciers but after
The North Pole and South Pole.
northern and southern pole contain the glaciers right අර පෘථුවියේ උත්තර ධ්‍රවයේ සහ උඩම කොටස සහ පහළම කොටස glaciers තියෙනවා ඒවා දිය වුණාට පස්සේ මොනවද වෙන්නේ ওই මුහුදු වලට එකතු වෙලා නේද මුහුදු මට්ටම ඉහළ යනවා හරි ඒක ඉෆෙක්ට් එකක් විදියට අපි වගේ පොඩි පොඩි රටවල් නේද islands ටික යට වෙලා යයි right
Some mountains will left.
yes mountains sometimes left but we can't live on the mountains no okay look at number 22 the knowledge about the expansion cannot be used the knowledge of the about the expansion cannot be used Matisha can you tell me what's the meaning of expansion
Don't know, sir.
don't know why it is an effect of the heat expansion who can remember the expansion can give the answer expansion
Increase the value.
yes increase the size no expansion mean increase the size hari ප්‍රමාණය විශාල වීම expansion කියන්නේ the knowledge about the expansion cannot be used expansion කියන knowledge එක අපිට යොදා ගන්න බැරි අවස්ථාවක් to remove a tight metal lid from a bottle to fixing the rim of wheel of the cart to fixing a rails to making an iron gate right what is the correct answer can you give the answer Sanduki what is the answer the knowledge about the expansion cannot be used අපිට expansion knowledge එක use කරගන්න බැරි තැනක් right what is the answer Nilesh Kant
Sir,
yes what is the answer for number 22
fourth one.
fourth one okay look at expansion okay expansion knowledge we can use to remove the tight metal lid from a bottle මතක ඇතිනේ නේද අපි අර metal lid එක heat කරාට පස්සේ ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් expansion වෙනවා නේද ප්‍රමාණය විශාල වෙනවා එතකොට අපිට මේක remove කරගන්න පුළුවන් also we discuss how we can fix the rim for a cart wheel මතක නේද මම videos වගේකුත් ඒව බලන්න කියලා right ඒකත් ඒ knowledge එක use කරලා කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් also to fixing a rail rails දෙකක් මම කිව්වා අර join කරනකොට පොඩි gap එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා right there's a gap due to the expansion of the heat expansion of the metal no so what is the answer for this one we can't use the use this knowledge about the expansion, right? So your answer should be number 4. Right. Number 23, look at who are the organisms produce foods to all the living beings on the earth. Who are the organisms produce foods to all the living beings?
Sir, I will say
What is the answer?
by
First
green
one.
plants.
By green
Plants, no? Right? අර හැම ජීවියෙකුටම ආහාර ටික ලබා දෙන්නේ කවුද? Green plants.
By green plant.
What is the process they did?
photosynthesis.
Yes.
Photosynthesis.
Process. Right. Number 24. Select the correct answer. Food chain is created by interconnection of several food webs. The second link of the food chain is always the carnivorous. The solar energy transferred
The answer is
to
correct.
a food chain. The producer of a food chain is always a carnivore. Right. What is the correct answer? Set me. What is the correct answer?
Don't know, sir.
Hmm?
First one.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know.
Sir, can I?
Third answer, sir.
Can I?
Okay. What is the answer?
Third answer.
The solar energy.
Third one. Okay. Look at the first answer is incorrect. No. Why? Food chain is created by interconnection of several food webs. නැහැනේ ඒක වැරදිනේ. අනිත් පැත්තට තියුණා නම් හරි නේද? Food webs are created by interconnection of food chains. Food chain කිහිපයක් එකතු වෙලා තමයි food web එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. So first one is incorrect. Second link should be which animal? Herbivorous animal, no? Second link එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම herbivorous වෙන්න ඕන. Okay? Sorry, second link එක carnivorous ම විතරක් නෙවෙයි, not always carnivorous, sometimes omnivorous. Right? Second link කියන්නේ කවුද? අර producer ට පස්සේ first link එකේ ඉන්නවා, ඊට පස්සේ second link එකේ ඉන්නවා. Okay? Last one. Oh, carnivorous වෙන්න බෑනේ. Last one, producer carnivorous වෙන්න බෑනේ නේද? It should be the green plant, no? So what is the correct answer? Solar energy transferred to the food chain. Right? එතකොට solar energy එක use කරලා තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ produce කරන්නේ food. එතකොට ඒකෙන් තමයි මේක අපිට answer එක ගන්න වෙන්නේ, right? Number 25, look at last question of the first part. If an anemometer takes 4 minutes for 20 turns, what is the speed of anemometer? How we can calculate it? Do you remember? Also, I did one example of the class. Kitnuli, what is the answer? What is the correct answer?
Second
Sir,
one.
can I say the answer, sir?
Second
Second
one.
one. 4 minutes.
Second one, sir.
Second one.
Yes.
First one.
First one. Okay. Second one. Right. Can you tell me how we find the speed? Make on matter. How you find the speed of anemometer? Number of turns divide time taken. How many turns of this question? 20 turns.
20 turns.
What is the time duration take for that process?
4.
4 minutes. So what we have to do? 20 divide 4. So what is the answer? First answer. 20 divided by 4. Okay, that's the first paper answers. There are 25 questions given. That's the all answers. Right, දැන් කරපු අයගේ මේ answers හරිද? කොච්චර විතර හරි ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවද? There are 25 questions. So,
මේ කවුන්ට් කරන්න.
Sir, one is wrong.
only one. Good. That means 24 questions are correct, no?
4යි 8යි 9යි
I have 23 questions right.
What? Nilesh Khan?
23 questions are right to me.
23 questions. Okay. Dhananjana send me 20 questions, no? Okay.
24 sir.
24.
17 question.
17 questions. Vinitri, 18 questions are correct. Uh,
24 sir.
okay. Okay, again, I will show the answers quickly, right from the beginning. Then I'm going to discuss the second part, okay?
22, sir.
That's the answers. First question, third one. Second question, second one. Third question, first one. Fourth question, third one. Question number 5, third answer. Question number 6, third answer. 7, first one. 8, first one. Number 9, second one. Number 10, second one. Number 11, third one. Number 12, first one. 13, third one. 14, fourth one. Number 15, third answer. Number 16, third answer. Number 17, first answer. 18, second answer. 19, second answer. 20, second answer. 21, first answer. 22, fourth answer. 23, first answer. 24, third answer. And 25, first answer. That's the answers, okay? Right. Right, now we are going to discuss the second part of this paper. Look at the instructions. First question is compulsory. Answer 4 questions out of 6 questions. Right, first එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම කරන්න ඕන. Then you have to answer another 4 questions out of 6 questions. There are 7 questions of this one. No? First එක කරාට පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ තව remain වෙනවා 6 questions. Okay, out of 6 questions ඒ හයෙන් 4කට answers ලියන්න ඕන. That means totally you have to write 5 questions. Use another sheet for write your answers. Make it මදීනේ වෙන එක ලියන්න. Right. Okay, now you put question number 1, part 2, question number 1. Did you write the answer for second part also?
No. Yes. Only do first part, sir.
දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඊට පස්සේ මම දැන් last week එකේ නම් කිව්ව first part එක විතරක් කරන්න කියලා නේද? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ full paper එකම කරලා තියන්න, right? මම ඉක්මනට එවන්නම්කෝ ඊළඟ paper එක. එතකොට ඒ කරන්නේ අපි fourth එක. හරිද? මේක ඉතිරි ටිකත් අපි next week discuss කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ fourth එක
Sir, part 2 එකේ පළවෙනි එක විතරයි මම කරේ.
right, time එකත් එක්ක සමහරට මදි වෙන්නේ නැති. ඒ paper එකත් කරලා fourth revision එකත් කරලා අපි term test එක දෙනවා. Right, so you ready? Okay, now look at the first question. You write down the answers now quickly. Given below are the 3 setups prepared by 3 groups of students in grade 6. It is labeled as A, B, and C. Right, that's the setup A, this one setup B, and this one setup C. Do you remember these 3 setups we discussed, no? In our
Yes.
lessons. Look at the A. Write expected observation related to the setup A in the table given below. Setup A mean this one, okay? Look at. Do you remember what is this? We can create as a magnet, no? Right? Make up a magnet එකක් බවට පත් කරගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතනදී, right? Then look at the activity. There are two questions given: activity and observation in galvanometer. Allow to fall bar magnet through the plastic tube. Allow to fall bar magnet through the plastic tube, right? Allow to fall bar magnet, right? You look at this bar magnet. Make a fall කරනවා පහළට වැටෙන්න සලස්සනවා මේ tube එක පැත්තට, right? Then what is the observation? මොනවද වෙන්නේ එතකොට මේ galvanometer එකට?
The galvanometer arrow is moved.
Yes, not we called it arrow. Arrow කියලා නෙවෙයි අපි ඒකට කියන්නේ, you remember indicator, right? අර කටුවට මොකක්ද අපි කියන්නේ? Indicator, right? Indicator should be deflected to one side. එක පැත්තකට මේක deflect වෙනවා, okay? අර කටුව එක පැත්තකට කරකැවෙනවා. So you write down the first observation. First observation, write down.
Galvanometer's indicator is moved.
Yes, simply we can write indicator is deflected to one side, right? එක පැත්තකට ඒක indicate වෙනවා, deflect වෙනවා, හරකැවෙනවා.
My answer is correct.
Right, okay. Right, then look at next one. Insert the bar magnet in the tube and close the two ends with hands, moving the tube backward and forward, right? Insert the bar magnet in the into the tube. මේ tube එක ඇතුළට අපි bar magnet එක දාලා, then close the two ends with hands. මේ දෙකලවර අපි අත් දෙකෙන් වහගෙන moving tube backward and forward. අපි මේ tube එක මෙහෙම ඉදිරියට පිටුපසට shake කරොත් මොනවද වෙන්නේ? What is the observation? This indicator deflected both sides. Right? Indicator deflected both sides. මොකද මෙයා එහාට මෙහාට යනකොට මේ needle එකත් දෙපැත්තට යනවා. So you have to write the answer. The first part answer, indicator is deflected to one side. Second part, you write down indicator is deflected. Indicator is deflected both sides. Right, okay, quickly you note down.
Lutangnya potarasnya apa? Itu betul.
Right, then I am going to the next. Anyone?
ඩිෆ්ලෙක්ට් එකට පස්සේ තියෙන මොකද්ද?
Deflected both side, right? Deflected both side. Okay, then look at the next part. Setup B shows the rough sketch of a simple cell, right? That's the setup B. මේ තියෙන මොකද්ද? Simple cell. Do you remember? Last paper also I mentioned this one, no? Right. Look at. Name X solution and Y strip respectively. What is X? X mean what? What? One of the X sulfuric acid, no? Sulfuric acid. Y? Y strip?
Copper sheet.
Yes, copper. So you can write the answer X. Sulfuric acid. Y. Copper. If you want, you can write battery acid, but the most correct answer sulfuric acid. Okay. If you can write the sulfuric acid, you write down. If else, you can write battery acid. Also, it is correct, not incorrect. Right. Now look at number 2. Right observation can be seen near at zinc sheet and white strip. මොනවද මේකදී අපිට පේන්නේ? What happened?
Can you show me in the first? The bulb lights up
No, no.
after some time.
No.
The brightness of the bulb.
No. ඒ බල්බ් එක ගැන නෙවෙයි අපෙන් අහන්නේ. මොනවා ගැනද අහන්නේ? සිංක් ෂීට් එකයි කොපර් ෂීට් එකයි අතර වෙන වෙනස. ඒ දෙකට මොනවද වෙන්නේ? ඒ දෙක ගාව මොනවද වෙන්නේ? You remember, I think I show this one as a video, no? Of the experiment. Write down zinc sheet dissolved.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you show me in the first?
First one answer this. Part B, first one answer X sulfuric acid, Y copper.
No, sir, in the part 2, first one.
Part 2, first question, part A. No? Okay, later I will again say. You write down quickly zinc sheet, dissolve, and what's the meaning of dissolve? Dissolve mean diya වෙනවා. Okay, zinc එක දිය වෙලා යනවා. And release of air bubbles. Release of air bubbles near the copper sheet. Zinc sheet dissolve and release of air bubbles near the copper sheet. Right, okay? Right, part 3, look at what is the observation of bulb after few minutes when it connected. This one answer your previous given. Okay, you gave previously. What is the answer? මොනවද අපිට මේක ටික වෙලාවක් කරනකොට පේන්නේ බල්බ් එකට මොනවද වෙන්නේ?
පාට්ටු වෙනවා.
Right, light gradually decreases, no? The brightness gradually decreases.
Sir, I wrote light will decrease. Is it correct?
Okay. Or you can write went off, right, like that. Brightness will be decreases. Right. Part C, look at now. Setup C shows the circuit with two dry cells, one LED and a switch. I finished, note down these answers.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm okay, sir.
Anyone still doing? All of you finished now? Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will clean, okay? Then again, you can't see this one. Okay, now I think all of you finished, okay? Right. Look at setup C. Setup C mean this one, okay? That's a setup C. Switch, two dye cells and one LED, and also connecting wires are used to make this circuit. Look at the first part. Draw a circuit diagram using standard symbols. Right. Using the standard symbols, you have to draw the circuit. How you can draw it? I will draw near the diagram, okay? Right. Look at I will draw here. For the setup used two dry cells. You can draw the dry cells like that, no? මම මේ තියෙන විදිහට මම දින්නම් dry cells දෙක මේ විදිහට, right? That's the dry cells. If you want, you can draw other side, okay? No problem.
Sir, mama යටාඳින්නද මේ පිටුවේ?
ගැටලුවක් නෑ. මම මෙතන ඇන්දේ මේ මට පහසු වෙන මේක බලා ගන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඕන දැනක අඳින්න ගැටලුවක් නෑ. ඒකට සම්බන්ධ කරලා, right? Then that's a connecting wires. Then we have to use the switch. That's a switch. Then you have to use the LED. Do you remember the symbol of LED?
Yes, sir.
LED negative direction here and the positive direction. Also, you can draw like that. Right, if you want, you can rotate this one, no problem. Right, that's a circuit drawing method. Right, quickly you draw. Now anyone still doing? Oh,
Yes, sir.
Okay, after finish, inform me.
Now, okay, sir.
Right. Now, all of you finish or anyone is still doing?
No, sir.
No, all of you finish. Okay. Right. Okay. Then next part, look at part 2. Okay. Part C, second part. A switch connected to the circuit consists of O and P part. A switch connected to the circuit consists with O and P part. Look at what's the meaning of O and P. Look at that's the O, that's the P, right? එතකොට ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මේ දෙක මෙහෙම connect වුණාම, right? මොකද වෙන්නේ මේ දෙක connect වුණාම? This one is the closed circuit, no? Then current flow.
Please, but
Right.
light.
Okay. Then what is the question? Write two different physical properties can be seen in O and P respectively, right? You have to write two physical properties between O and P respectively, right? Can you tell me what is the physical property? Physical property mean insulator or conductor, right? Insulator or conductor. ඒක තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. Look at මේක මෙතනට කනෙක්ට් වුණාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? O එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? O converted into the electric insulator, no? O is electric insulator, P is conductor. So you have to write the answer like this: electric insulator conductor. Electric insulator mean what? Does not flow the current, no? Conductor will conduct the electricity. Tanuda said another message sent he put the battery acid to his hand, but nothing to do everything, no? Right? Anything not you can see if you put your hand the battery acid, it is no problem. Why? It is they are not strong, right? ඒක strong නෑ, right? ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ අතට දැන් දෙහි ටිකක් දැම්මොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අත පිච්චෙනවද? නෑනේ නේද? Not bad defects, right? අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි very dilute one. Dilute කියන්නේ මොනවද? අර ගොඩක් strong එක අඩු කරපු දෙයක් තමයි මේ battery acid කියලා කියන්නේ, right? But you put strong acid your hand නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙම දැම්මොත් නේද අනිත් පැත්තෙන් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ අහස නේද? මෙහෙම අත තියුවා. මොනවද වෙන්නේ? අත පිච්චෙනවා නේද? අත මෙහෙම කුහරයක් විදියට නේද හිල් වෙලා යාවි. Right? So you don't put strong acids, right? Normal acids are no problem.
Like lime.
Lime is very weak acid, no? It is no problem.
Yes, we can eat it.
Yes, you eat the lime, no? No problem. නේද? එහෙම වුණා නම් නේද අපේ stomach එක නේද දිය වෙලා යාවි නේද strong එකක් ගත්තනම් එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ, right? Very weak acid, so no problem. Okay, look at next one. Write the difference between bulb and LED. What is the difference between bulb and LED? මොනවාද මේ bulb එක LED එක අතර තියෙන වෙනස? right, දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ගෙදරදී bulb එකක් අපි holder එකට fix කරනකොට ඒකේ direction එකක් තියෙනවාද? positive negative කියලා නෑ නේද? ඕන පැත්තක් fix කරාම වැඩ කරනවා. Right, but if you want to light up the LED, you have to connect correctly positive and negative terminals. So what is the main difference? You write the answer for third one. I will type here the answer for third one. Due to change.
Sir, I write LED is a light emitting diode. Is it correct?
What light bulb? What?
LED is a light emitting diode.
Only you wrote that one.
Yes.
No, you wrote the answer as what's the meaning of LED? No, LED mean light emitted diode. It is correct, but this one asks what is the difference between a bulb and LED? So you have to write the answer like that. You write down due to change of terminals.
So ඔය ප්‍රශ්න ඔය උත්තරය දාන්න තුන්වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ නේද?
ඔව් තුන්වෙනි එකට මම අර එතන පොඩ්ඩක් ඊට මදින්ද මෙතනින් ලිව්වේ. Due to change of terminals of LED did not lighted, but in bulb is not in that manner, right? LED එක නම් අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ direction එක බලලා නේද positive negative හරියට connect කරන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි bulb එකේ හිම ගැටලුවක් නැහැ.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show the second one answer?
Second one answer I removed now. Which part do you want to answer? Do you want to write the answer?
See question, second one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will type here it again. Electric insulator conductor. Electric insulator conductor. Right, okay, I finished now. That's the first question, all answers.
There are few minutes left.
Yes, I think another question we can do quickly. Right. Now I will clean the screen. If anyone still doing, inform me. No, I think all of you finished, no? Okay, now
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to second question, okay? Second question, look at. Right, second question, part A. Given below is a setup of used in laboratory to observe increase of temperature. right? You can use see the thermometer and water beaker, and also there is a stand, Bunsen burner, no, the lamp to generate the heat. Look at the first part. What is the observation can be obtained in thermometer when spirit lamp in this one, placed under the beaker? What is the observation of the
The
thermometer?
mercury in the thermometer is go up.
Yes. What is the answer? Your observation should be rises of the mercury column, no? Right? This mercury column rises. So you write down the answer, rises of the mercury column.
Sir,
Yes.
the mercury in the thermometer is go up. Is it correct?
Okay, no problem. The same meaning, no? Rises.
Is this the second part?
No, second question, first part answer. Right? Second question, paper, this term test paper, second paper, second question, first part answer.
So temperature is highest. Is it correct?
No, this one asks what's the observation, no? Right? What's the observation? This mercury column rises up. Right. Look at the second part. What is the thermometer reading value when water started to boil?
100 Celsius.
Yes, 100 Celsius. Right? අර ජලය නටන උෂ්ණත්වය මම හිතන්නේ මම ඔක කියන්නේ නැති ඔයගොල්ලන්ට නේද? කිව්වද නැද්ද? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Also, I think I said you the freezing temperature of the water. Do you remember what is the freezing temperature? 0 Celsius. Okay, that's a freezing temperature. Boiling temperature is 100. So your answer should be boiling temperature 100.
Then 1 minus Celsius.
Right. Number 3, look at write the change the state of water while it boil. Right, මේ ජලය නටනකොට වෙන changes මොනවද කියලා අහන status වලදී. What is the
Liquid.
liquid to gas?
Liquid to gas.
Liquid to gas.
Vapor.
What is the type of energy can be transferred from spirit to
Change to vapor. Energy.
what is the type of energy can be transferred from spirit lamp to
Solar energy.
no, not solar energy.
Heat energy.
Heat energy, no? මේකේ මොනවද අපිට දෙන්නේ? තාපය නේද? රස්නේනේ වැඩි කරලා දෙන්නේ නේ. Heat energy. So you answer heat energy. Heat energy. Last part of this, write the place that liquid expansion occurred in the setup. Yes,
Today have ICT class.
yes, at 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look at the answer, mercury column. Okay, mercury column. Write a place that liquid expansion occurred in setup. Right, so the answer, mercury column. Right. Okay, another 4 parts remaining of this question. Also, I will discuss that part.
Are you showing again in first?
First mean I clean the screen. Which question, which part do you want to write the answer?
The first part.
First part. First part answer. There are two answers you have right now for the table. First answer, indicator deflect to one side.
Can you show?
Okay, I finish note down this part, all of you know.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will clean. First part. That's the first part. Huh? This blank answer, indicator deflect to one side. Second blank answer, indicator deflected to both sides.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Okay, look at this part B of the second question. Wind vane is used to find out the direction of wind. Given below is an instance of wind vane pointed to the direction as. First part, find the wind of the wind blow in above instance. Make
To
it the wind blow when to
West.
west, right? To west. ඒතර වෙස්ට් එකට වෙස්ට් වලට බ්ලෝ වෙනවා නම් තමයි මේක වෙස්ට් ටු ඊස්ට් ඩිරෙක්ෂන් එකට එන්නේ නේද? to west. Second one, if you have assigned to prepare wind vane, write 4 raw materials required for it. wind vane එකක් හදනකොට අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙන raw materials ටිකක් ලියන්නලු. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අර suitable raw materials ටිකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මොනවද? මේකට ඕන නම් cardboard නේද? stand
A straw.
straw, right? ගැලපෙන ඒවා ලියන්න. It is no problem. Third part,
Pen.
yes, pen, right? Suitable answers you can write. 4 materials you have to write. Somebody says the humidity can be reduced due to wind. What is known as humidity? Humidity mean what? The percentage of the water vapor, percentage of the water vapor of the atmosphere. Right, that's the third part answer. Last part, what is natural disaster can be occurred due to the pressure depression is created and the air around the place is blown at very high speed toward the pressure. Cyclone, no? Cyclone.
That's dangerous.
Right, cyclone. Okay, that's the answers for second question. Another 5 questions remain to discuss of this paper. Next day I will discuss these 5 questions. Okay, also another paper I will send you. This paper remaining questions and the new paper also you have to complete when you participate the next class session.
ඉතුරු ප්‍රශ්න ටික ගෙදර කරන්නද?